will show you how I hired ChatGPT to become my editor-in-chief for free. So if you're a non-native speaker like I am, and you really fear of just making spelling or grammar mistakes, and it really stops you from pursuing your side hustle and your biggest dreams, then you love today's video. Even though I have dual citizenship, because I'm originally from Germany and I now have the US citizenship, when I started building my business in the US, it was really, really hard for me. Especially overcoming the fear of making weird spelling mistakes, right? That could just jeopardize my really hard-earned reputation. And maybe you can relate. So, in today's video, I really want to show you how I use ChatGPT as my editor-in-chief for my side hustle almost every single day. Yes, let's get started. So let me show you how I use ChatGPT as my editor-in-chief whenever I write a weekly newsletter. So here I have not embracing my true authentic self. So that's going to be the subject line, but I want to make it a little bit punchier. So make this email subject line shorter and funnier to increase open rates. Ooh, unleash your inner you. I like that. Okay, iterate. Get real, embrace you. Okay, let's do it again. Authentic you. I like the unleash your inner you. Okay, so I will just copy paste this. And then instead of using this, I would literally just do this. That's how simple it is. Okay, so then let me see. This is kind of my story that I outlined. So I would just copy paste this, bring this in here, and let's say check for grammar. And then what it does, it like literally looks through it, and then it says your grammar looks good overall. Okay, but then it suggests me all the different things that I could do better. So I usually read through it because I want to learn, but then what I also do is I say include these in the text. And then what it does is, okay, here's the revised text. So boom. Okay, and then let's say make it funnier. Then they're adding some humor to the text. Okay, and then let's say make this text tailored toward millennials working in the tech industry. Okay, so sometimes sometimes ChatGPT gets it right, sometimes not so much. So let's see. So I wouldn't say like fellow techies, that's like not as good. So like you always have to like read through it, but office slides to code mode. Okay, so you can see, or bounce code, right? Like that there are some words specific to millennials and tech that ChatGPT just basically puts in here. Okay, and you can even see here. So TED Talk, that's definitely something relevant to millennials working in tech. And they do also know Elon Musk, right? So this is good. Okay, I like this. And then usually what I do is I just copy paste this. And then I bring that back to my document, right? And so I usually do kind of like a revised version. So I keep the original just so that I have it as a reference. And then I rewrite it a little bit based on this. Oh, see? And sometimes, ChatGPT makes some mistakes too. Okay, so another thing where I really use ChatGPT for my business is whenever I have to write YouTube descriptions. So let's say, if you look at my YouTube, you can see here, for instance, okay, we have, finding your purpose, right? So let's go back to ChatGPT and say, write me a YouTube description about finding your purpose that ranks really high on YouTube search. Let's see what it gives me back. Again, sometimes it's not super correct, but oh, look at this. Welcome to Art of Discovering Your True Purpose in Life. If you ever felt lost, confused, uncertain, you're not alone. Okay, in this video you'll learn practical steps that identify your passion and strength, how to align your career and life with your purpose, inspiring real life stories, right? And then, boom, look at this. It like literally gives you an entire YouTube description, even with emojis. It's pretty cool, right? So yeah, I use this all the time. And again, the other big piece too, I try to tailor it. So make it a bit funnier. Okay, lost in life, don't worry, your GPS for purpose. So again, like it's just like you can iterate this like all the time, or you can even say, okay, make this description specific, let's do something really different, to new moms working as nurses. I don't know, let's try and see what happens. Okay, call all super moms in scrubs. I mean, this is really good, right? So, and again, you don't have to spend like hours trying to figure out what to write. Like, this is how you don't have a writer's block anymore, because you can just ask ChatGPT to write stuff for you and even outline your entire video. So I love using it, and I hope you can kind of see now how easy it is to use. Like, definitely make use of it. I even use it. Okay, you want me to show you how I use it too? I'm actually wondering what happens to Google in the future, because here's what I'm gonna do. I want to watch a movie tonight. I'm really in the mood for a good rom-com. I love how to get rid of him in 10 days. Well, let's just do it. It's the first thing that came on mind. What would you recommend? And look at this. Oh my goodness. I mean, these are really good movies. I love this movie. I love this movie. I also love this movie. This movie. Oh my goodness. This is really good. So I don't know what Google's going to do about it, but this is really cool. So again, don't be afraid to use AI. It is just insane what AI can do these days. And I think you will really, really love it. And it will really help you for your business too. And I don't know if you hear it, but my dog is snoring. Now, if you're curious and you want to know how AI can help you create your vision board or write an entire blog for you, then make sure to check out these videos next, because they're going to blow you away and they will save you so much time. Seriously.